My brother John, he say that was me. I say make I carry you come here, make we talk as twins brother. Now because of that, because of for that road where they do for Rome Junction, that road. I dey hear say they won't put flyover for that. They won't put flyover around that part for that Rome Junction. You hear them? John, my brother, I hear them. Oh. So now I come reach yesterday. I come say make I go use my eyes here. Ma see whether how the work won't be or how it dey be. When I reach there, they don't pack all the tools, working tools for that Rome Junction across. They dey across, you see dey by this side. I say okay, make I ask, make I know whether true say they won't put roundabout for that or any how the road won't be. Wetin dem come tell you, my brother? Na true, na true. They say they go put roundabout, and they go put flyover. Say people when they go like highway, people when they come from far, they go far. Like this the back road now. So the flyover now go end for after Yekme River. They say if they go Asaba side, the flyover when they go Asaba go end after Baleke Market. I can say, my brother, now business won't move for Agbo here, especially Rome Junction. Now business won't move. Not be small thing, my brother. Now business won't really move for this very junction. You will see many things when they go to sell for here, and the people won't get plot. The people won't get plot. People won't get a house around here. They go increase their rent. And that way they talk small. They don't already increase and finish. I don't dey hear sef that our house now, all those house when dey back of our house. I don't dey hear right they say when landlady dey tell them say now till February March. Say make dem get ready. Say they wan increase the rent. Say we no go fit pay, make e comot for house because the landlady don already know say now till that February March say this road they go don dey do am or they don do am finish. So that make am come put the interest now. He won't put am in advance. Say he won't add money for the rent. Very small. I don't really see am say na so e go be. Na so e must be. No how when e go be, when e no go be. Now everybody now dey do especially all those yawa. Even now when do the area, all those container people, all the big pocket, they carry everything, they carry people talking, they carry chicken when no be their own, they carry dog dey chop when no be their own, they pull hand for wetin no good, they look the pocket pepper. Now everything go even dey worse. My brother, how you reason am? John, na true. Now they go dey steal. You come make me remember something. Make me remember something. You get one guy, that guy when they pickpocket for down of our street, man. That guy carry dog now that day. When go kill dog, when they inside pit, you can't say like, oh, Mike now. I know why I not go know Mike. Now intelligent criminal now. You don't know Mike for this area. You want tell me say, now me or two brother they ask whether I know. You know even you know the good news, the news, bad news when they yesterday go carry my mango fowl. Jesus, my mango fowl. Hey, I know. I know say one day this boy go put him mouth for problem. He go put him poor papa for problem. I bet me go find what you go eat. I they listen to all this time.